So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic wig review. So today's wig that we will be reviewing is this one right here. She is a little cutie pie, and I did receive her from Entranced Styles on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for the link. I have worked with Entranced Styles a lot in the past, so I really do appreciate them for reaching out and asking me to review this wig. But this is their ombre. It says it's ombre blonde, but it's more of an ombre brown. You know, as y'all can see, it's not really any blonde going on, but it is still cute. Now, if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap. Then, of course, I will get into a little bit more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing about this wig that I received from Entranced Styles, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and the cap is breathable. Now, it is a middle part wig, but of course you can switch it to the side if you would like. And as y'all saw as well, it did have a little lace, which I did cut off. Now, I did add a little powder into my part just to make the wig look a little bit more realistic and natural. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this is from Entranced Styles on Amazon. This is their long wavy ombre synthetic wig. It's more of like a honey blonde, maybe brown to honey blonde type of color, but it retails for $28.99, so very affordable. So as listed, it does say it's ombre blonde, but in my opinion, it's more of an ombre honey blonde, ombre brown to honey blonde, whatever you want to call it, it's fine. It is synthetic and it is wavy, of course. It's more of a body wave. Of course, as I have brushed it out, the waves have fallen a little bit, but nothing too drastic. Now, it is about 26 inches, so I do have to say, it is a nice little length. I have gotten a lot of wigs similar to this one before, so not bad. It says that it can be straightened and curled under 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't think I left anything out. So the color is really pretty. I don't know if I've had a wig in this color before. Probably have and forgot, I don't know. But the color is really pretty. I'm all for the ombre effect. The ombre in wigs is just always, majority of the time, super cute. But yeah, I love the color. The body wave texture is really nice. She hasn't really tangled up, so that's good. As y'all can see, I'm just running my fingers through her. Of course, very easy to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how she's looking in the front. side, back, and the other side. So yeah, she is a cutie. Definitely a cutie. So I do want to thank Entrance Styles for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color, the texture, the length, all of that. Let me know how it looks on me as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.